Isn't she a beauty? This is one of my citrus plants. So, I don't know if you guys can see that. What it is, I don't know. She has a little yellowing. It's been hot. So there's a little yellowing on the leaves. It's been hot. We have a ton, I mean a ton of blooms. I'm thinking it's maybe a lime. But we have one right there, right there. We got multiple fruit right there. We have all these blooms. These are beautiful. I'm so excited about these. Although even though we've been getting a lot of rain lately, I think because of the leaves, the foliage, it's not penetrating the soil. So I'm having to come in here and hand water as well. Even though we get a good nice downpour on and off for the past week or so, an hour or more, it's still not enough to penetrate through the leaves. So, but I'm happy to see the blooms on that. We have another one back here. No blooms, no fruit. As you can see, the soil is dry. I mean, it's a little moist on the inside, but still nothing. And it rained a little earlier today. It rained even heavier by my job. I mean, a storm, the power went out. But for this, no flowers yet. Again, a little yellowing on the leaves. But I'll fix that. I think it just need water. It might be stressed out. So that's the second one. I think that one over there that I have, I think that is a lemon, because either last year or I had one or two lemons on it. It was in my greenhouse. Had one or two lemons on it. And then we had a cold snap. And the greenhouse wasn't warm enough to keep it. And it died. So I hope it is the lemon, because they were nice, like Meyer lemons. So we're going over here to my other two citrus trees. Again, guys, I don't know what type of tree it is. And it's so funny because, again, it's been raining. They're looking a little better because I came, I think, yesterday when I got off from work and drenched them with about a gallon or more water a piece. And you can kind of see a little water on this leaf there because it did rain a little bit earlier. A little yellowing. We have some type of pest there. Yellowing, pests, curled leaves. But we do have some new growth on this new stem. As you can see, that's new. But no blooms or fruit. So hopefully I'll get some soon. I'm just inspecting and I got a little quiet. And then we go over here to this one. Now this one was showing signs, definitely signs of stress and lack of water. Again, I came and I put this one about a gallon or more of water on this. I definitely have something eating on the leaves. I was looking to see if I can see or find a pest, but for the most part it doesn't look dehydrated. I just really need to find out what is eating the leaves. Yellowing of the leaves. Something's munching. No fruit in there yet, but I'm patient. I can wait. I can wait. And again, we had some frost damage, I think earlier in this growing season, but we do have new growth on there, so I'm excited about the growth on these citrus plants. Thanks for watching. Keep gardening.